This is Friday the 16th of January 2026. We're in Kilsannig Stud here in Cork.
This is H. Mary Dora, I think her name.
Yeah.
Or his name. I'm not sure. I think these are all female. I think these are all female. They don't have any stallions here. These are all female horses. They're all males. They don't have any male horses here. The mares, foals, and yearlings. They're all female. They don't have any stallions. There's no stallions. All these are female horses. H. Mary Dora. This is Majestic. This was for Majestic Jasmine. Majestic Jasmine. And horses are very majestic, as you know. All the horses are very majestic animals. Very majestic, they're very graceful animals. Isn't that right? Yeah. Yeah. Horse. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful horse, isn't it? This is Dicky Doda. Horse called Dicky Doda.
Yeah.
What's her name? Dicky Doda.
Yeah.
Hello, Dicky. Nice to meet you, Dicky. Lovely name, Dicky. I can't see a name on that door. Is there an actual name on that door?
No, there isn't.
There's probably a name on this one either.
Check your tag then. Your tag. No tag as well.
No tag at this one. It has something on the door, but it doesn't say. What's that?
Don't know what it is.
There's no name on this one. There's no name on you. There's no name on you, hello. What's your name? Nothing yet either. This named either. These are obviously just earrings or something else. They're not named yet. They're not named yet, are you now? You've only made names yet. They're not named yet. They're beautiful, aren't they? Ollie, she's gorgeous. You're beautiful, aren't you? You're soaked, the skin. You're all soaking. You must have been out in the rain outside on the paddocks, were you? You did not nothing. You did not nothing there. You're very naughty. Naughty. Yeah, hello. I used to know a naughty horse. You know that? Yeah, I did. I used to call him naughty. Hello. But she's beautiful, yeah. All these horses are female. There's no male horses here. That's what I want. Watch where you walk down into the
Yeah.
Hello. Hiya. Hello, Leanne. Yeah. You have a name on the there is. What's her name? That's what her head colour there, Liam. Inside her head colour here, there's a tag on her head colour. There's a plate. It's got a plate on her tag.
Yeah. Asmira.
Asmira, yeah. You obviously was a racer then. You obviously were a racer then. Now, where you go?
That's it.
The name of that tag there, you can see?
Sun.
Sun.
What's it? Try the other side.
Sun.
Try the other side of the tag.
Sun. Sun. Is this a sun?
Yeah. There's one in the last hole box as well. Look to your right. We're going to push on soon because he has to start medication and the Stallion trail closed at 3 o'clock.
This one here. This hasn't got a name on it either.
No,
but the ones that don't have names, they obviously haven't been named yet. There's more horses at the first side. I can hear horses over the other side there too. There's more horses over here. These are some more horses. I think I heard horses different.
we have to push on soon. 12 o'clock.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Turning grey, would it? Turning grey, look.
Huh.
It's turning grey.
Yeah.
Grey. It's turning grey.
Yeah.
Got grey on. Lovely horses.
Hello. I see this big. That used to. Was this the old construction down there of the barns? Is this new? So obviously newer. This area is newer. Is that right?
I don't speak English.
Huh?
I don't speak English.
You say again?
Not to speak English.
Oh yeah. Thanks.
Oh, these are all yearlings. These are all yearlings, aren't they?
Doesn't understand. Doesn't matter. Dear.
Here.
Yearling means 1 year old, but these are all 1 year old. 1 year. So 1 year.
I know English.
We go.
My feet are.
Come right here.
My feet are getting dirty, and I'm going to the fucking Stallion there. I could be filthy for the Stallion there now.
What video?
Of course, look at it. These horses are taking a liking to me. You like me, don't you? Yeah. This is person. This is Prince Person. Yes, I'm a visitor. I'm only a visitor. I'm not staying here very long. I'm going home. I come to Harbour, Dublin tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll be seeing you again later. I'll be back to you later on. Or about. Will it be dark when time we get back?
No, I wouldn't say so.
Really? Oh, he's pecking at my ear. He's pecking at my hat. Yeah, will it be dark when we get back over?
I don't know. It depends what time we leave out. The still closes at 3.
Yeah.
So we can go shopping or we can go for a cup of coffee, and then tomorrow we can go more horses here before we leave.
Yeah, what time would we get back here at this day?
If you can hear, depending on what time we leave at, about 4
Yeah.
or 5, depending on what we're doing.
I want to get back here before it's dark. I'm telling you how it is for.
Okay. What video?
I'll pause it for now, folks. Thank you.